where does the name for Fron Gynnen come from? So, this hill behind me, just above Eglwys Bach, on the road to Llanrwst from Colwyn Bay in Conwy County, is called Fron Gynnen. Now, the first word is the soft mutation of brawn. Brawn originally meant a chest or a breast, but has come to mean a rounded hill for obvious reasons. It's soft mutated because originally there was an before it, meaning the, so the hill of Fron rather than brawn. The next word is Gynnen, which is a soft mutation of the word cynnen, which means strife or feud or revenge or something like that. It's from Latin ultimately, from the word contens, which is where the word contest in English comes from. Anyway, so literally it means the hill of strife. Anyway, diolch. Check out my Patreon, subscribe for more, share it with your friends. Have a good one.